Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. Lately we've been hearing from clients and from customers about how their skin's feeling this winter, and we thought we'd put together a quick information segment for you on how you can help your skin not only recover from winter but help prepare it for the warmer months coming up. So with the winter skin, what our clients and our customers have been saying is that their skin has felt itchy, it's felt dry and dehydrated. So we've got 6 Dermalogica products here that will help you target the dehydration and boost the skin's defense against the winter climate. So to start off, for cleansing, if you normally use a foaming gel cleanser, we can suggest using a creamy light cleanser like the Intensive Moisture Cleanser. This is going to effectively remove your impurities from the skin, yet it protects the skin against the dryness and the dehydration that we're experiencing. Don't forget to always double cleanse your skin using lukewarm water and remove this gently from the skin. So adding a mask into your routine a couple of times a week is like giving your skin a mini treatment at home. The Skin Hydrating Mask is our favourite in winter and will boost the skin's moisture levels and really alleviating that tightness, that flakiness and sensitivity that can come from dehydrated skin. Dermalogica toners are fantastic and you can use these throughout the day as you need. The multi-active toner is our go-to winter toner because it targets the skin hydration and leaves the skin feeling really refreshed and supple. You can keep it in your handbag, your gym, or even your office bag, and you can even use it over makeup as you need it during the day. Serums are a great option, and layering underneath your day and nighttime moisturiser allows you to effectively target your skin concerns. The Biolumin-C is a high-performance vitamin C serum that brightens, firms, exfoliates and reduces the appearance of fine lines. It's great for those of you who feel they need something a little bit extra under their moisturiser. So when it comes to sensitivity, which can often be a concern in the winter time because of the environmental changes that we go through, the heating inside, the cold temperature outside can really compromise our protective barrier. The Barrier Defense Booster soothes, nourishes and restores the balance to the sensitive skins, plus it protects against future irritation for you. So moisturisers in our home care routine are designed to protect and hydrate, and it really locks in all the products that you've added on your skin beforehand. The Calm Water Gel hydrates dry, sensitive skin. It's really refreshing and works in different layers to hold in that moisture. So to keep your skin feeling its healthiest this winter, click on the link below, visit our website, glowskinbody.com.au. You can try a sample of any of these products with your next order, and we'll see you again next time.